In this video, we're going to tear down and explore one of the most common components in DIY robotics, a yellow DC gear motor, often used in Arduino car kits and robotic platforms. We'll open it up, explain every part, and then reassemble it while understanding how it all works together. This is a great way to learn about gear reduction, torque, and mechanical efficiency. Inside this motor housing, we have a series of plastic gears arranged in stages. The motor itself spins very fast, but with low torque, not strong enough to move a robot on its own. That's where the gearbox comes in. The small gear connected to the motor shaft is called the pinion gear. It drives a larger gear, which in turn drives the next gear in the chain. Each stage reduces speed and increases torque, following the principle of gear reduction. By the time the motion reaches the final output shaft, the speed has been significantly reduced and the torque is much higher, perfect for wheels or small mechanisms. You'll notice this is a multi-stage gear train, likely with a reduction ratio between 1 to 48 and 1 to 120, depending on the model. The final shaft is supported by the plastic frame and meshes perfectly with the output gear. These gearboxes are designed to be efficient, compact, and low cost, ideal for learning platforms and light-duty robotics. Now, let's reassemble the gearbox. Understanding how this small gearbox works gives us a deeper appreciation of mechanical systems behind simple robots. It's a great hands-on way to explore speed, torque, and gear ratios. If you want to keep learning more about components like this, make sure to subscribe and check out the rest of the videos on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Arduino and electronics content. If you'd like to support the channel, you can donate via PayPal or check out the Patreon link below for exclusive content and behind-the-scenes projects. See you in the next one. Blast off.